Perform the indicated operation if possible. Negative 6.2 minus, in brackets, negative 7.1 plus the quantity 2.0 minus 3.1. Let's use the order of operations to simplify, starting with our innermost grouping symbol first. Rewrite each step of the statement to try to prevent making any mistakes. 2.0 minus 3.1, you might think of that as plus a negative. That difference between those numbers is 1.1, but that difference is going to be negative because the negative 3.1 carries more weight with it. Let's continue with our grouping symbol again. We've got a negative 7.1 plus a negative 1.1. Writing each step. Here we're going to add two negative numbers, so we'll add their absolute values to get an 8.2, and then that sum remains negative. Negative 6.2 minus a negative 8.2 becomes plus 8.2. Lastly, negative 6.2 plus 8.2 is a 2.0, or we might just write that answer as the number 2.